Hi guys, my name is Giovanni Gagliardi and I'm a photographer. My base is in Pisa, Italy. Actually, I haven't always been a photographer. I specialize in computer science and this is one of my passions that I still have today. My passion for photography began about 20 years ago and since then it has grown day by day. I love to travel and this is something that I inherited from my parents and I brought it to the next level. It is really unbelievable how many emotions you can experience from a single vacation, from a single journey. And according to me, such moments make you feel a better person. With my wife and my daughter, I visited a lot of places around the world. Sometimes I went by myself around the world. And even if you have a lot of time for yourself, you have a lot of time to do everything you want, the problem is that you cannot experience such emotions with the people you love. I think that part of the beauty is to share your feelings, your emotions, and that's why I created this YouTube channel. Here you will find a collection of footage compositions of the places that I visited. I also have a site called gagliardiphotography.com where you will find some of my best images. I hope you'll enjoy my creations and please, if you do, post a comment or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Thanks!